So we need to grab the will ourselves and say, you know, it's valuable for us to maintain our language. It's valuable for us to maintain our tradition. It's valuable for us to maintain our culture and make sure that we do what we can. It behooves all of us. We all need to be invested in this effort to maintain us as maintain our culture and our values and traditions. So that's what I'd like to appeal to our people, is to invest the time now, because it's a lot easier to perpetuate what you have now than to try and revive something you've lost, you know, and try to look around and find it. Do it now before it's too late.
Inaanho si Francis Mary, Manibusan sa Buwan.
Si James Cruz Bamba.
Melcher Mindiola.
Sinta Matagolay Kaipat.
Si Agustin Matagolay Kaipat. It's a nickname Gus.
Inaanho si Roman Jr. Tudela Yapujiduhu.
John Joseph Conception lo maagan to distant kikitu na pagdun DJ.
Off a day. Gumataotao.
Samantha Barnett.
Aaron Santos.
Lawrence Azama.
And we are Tådong Marianas, a group of young CHamoru scholars, activists, artists, and filmmakers. We are currently producing a project that documents the stories of musicians, cultural practitioners, and community members across the Marianas. Our group's mission is to foster deeper connections among our island peoples throughout the archipelago.
We believe that by maintaining our relationships with one another and sharing our stories of place, we can provide a sense of strength and resilience.
Our community needs stories of hope and pride during these challenging times.
To support this project and help bring these stories to life, please visit the link in our bio for our GoFundMe page. Share with your nana, your tanta, your prim, your par, your tsetu. Share it, fam!